Dear friends, welcome to DB Infotech YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to teach you how to submit Gaussian 16 or 09 calculation in Ubuntu Linux machine. There are different ways is there to submit that Gaussian calculation in Ubuntu. So I will tell you one by one. So please watch the video up to end. So this is actually my calculation folder. So here I will tell you how to submit your calculation in Linux machine. So this is my folder path. Just I will copy this one. So now I open new terminal to submit the calculation. Just I will click new one. Type CD. Then you can paste your copy of the path. Then enter. This is my calculation GJF file, Gaussian file. So now I will submit the calculation. Then three way you can submit. The first way is, so type G60 space the symbol. Then you need to type your input file name L1 mo.gjf. Then close it. So just you can put in between these two symbols in that L1 mo gjf. Then what you have to do, you have to type your output file name. So here just you can type L1 mo dot log. So this is the thing. Just you can type your Gaussian G16, put the symbol, and you can type your input file and close it, and you can now type your output file name. So L1 mo dot log file. Just you can press enter. So calculation will run. So that blinking means calculation running without error. Just we can visit our folder. So you see the calculation is running. Yes, there is no error, just running. So now I will close it and I will submit another. I will show you another method. So here you can also dot out also. So there are two output format is there, dot log and dot out. So just you can put L1 mo dot out. So it will save as a L1 mo dot out. Anyone is fine. There is no problem. Just you can use any one of this format. So you see dot out file created, output file. We can open this one. See dot out one. So then another method. This is a very simple method. Just I will delete this three files. So now again you can type your G16. So if you want, just you can take your G16 and input file name. So the Gaussian automatically name it that output file. It will generate dot log file. So just you can type G16 and input file name and press enter. So now the Gaussian itself will name it that output file name. So you can see here that output file name L1 mo log file is automatically created. So either if you want to this format, if you want to new file name, just you can follow that top two method. These two method. If you don't want to name your output file name, just you can type the G16 L1 mo.gjf. System automatically name it that output file name. This is the types of the Gaussian calculation summation. Just you can watch this video, you can understand easily how to submit this Gaussian jobs. Thank you for watching my video. If you like my content, please subscribe to my channel and share to your friend and like my video. Enjoy. Thank you.